websites. Now, websites differs in content, size, and how complex they are. They generally fall into 3 different categories: the simple, the medium, and the complex websites. A simple website is usually a showcase website or a portfolio website. They basically have about 4 to 5 pages, has less features and functionalities, and come with a basic dashboard. Basically, they're full of static pages. For a medium website, an example would be an e-commerce website with about 20 to 50 products. They usually come with more features like payment system, email marketing tools, but they require ongoing maintenance. And now, for complex websites, we have websites like Konga, Jumia, Netflix, Airbnb, and so on. These kinds of websites usually run on advanced systems with databases, custom dashboard, and interactive features like logins, payments, passwords, and even messaging. Now, let's break down what it actually costs to build each of these categories of websites. For a simple website, you are paying for your domain name, your hosting, your website setup, which is basically your developer's fee. You're also paying for content upload, which is where your text, images, and basic SEO go into. Then if you want, because this is just optional, you are paying for maintenance. For a medium website, you have everything in the simple website, but with extra features. You get a better hosting with more space. You get extra features like payment systems, charts, bookings, and even automations. And then for these types of websites, you need ongoing maintenance. Like you have to be maintaining it every single time because it can crash at any point. Finally, we have the complex website. Now, this is where things get serious because these websites are built more like platforms rather than web pages. They usually run on dedicated hosting that can handle heavy traffic, speed, and heavy security. The setup is fully custom with dashboards, user accounts, and real-time interactions. They usually rely on advanced integration like APIs, automations, and payment systems. And finally, the level of security and maintenance given to these types of websites are very high because it needs constant security updates, constant maintenance, constant content upload to just keep the site running. So, websites are not expensive. They are investments and they pay you back.